Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cabin Fever Crochet with me, Helene here. And yay, it's time to announce the winner of my Just Because Giving Back giveaway. And before we do that, I just want to give you a quick recap of what this includes. One Caron cotton cakes in the large cakes, and this is 8.8 ounces, 250 grams in the colorway Calico Flowers. And it's 60% cotton, 40 acrylic, and you'll receive 530 yards or 485 meters. I forgot what's in here. Oh boy, fun stuff. Okay, and a crochet hook, Yarnology by Lobby, bug not included. And this is a size I/9 hook, 5.5 millimeter. It's a ergonomic handle, aluminum tip. A 4-pack of these super fun, again, Yarnology, Hobby Lobby, magnetic bookmarks. They're double-sided. Top knot balls of yarn. Yarn is my spirit animal with an alpaca, and relax and unwind with the kitty and a ball of yarn. And if you recall, 2 stitch markers, one with blue quartz, it's a peace sign, and the other, they're both pewter charms with real gemstones, and this other one says love with garnet. Okay. And last but not least is the darling little ladybug foldable, super lightweight nylon project bag, market bag, whatever you would like to use it for. It is just like this one. Nylon handles, if you recall, it's reinforced on the inside with the stitching, and flowers, and it says Ladybug Love on it. Both sides. Natural Grocers from Health Food Store. And it folds up into itself and packs up in this cute little ladybug pouch with a key ring on it, something that you could just, leave in the glove compartment of your car, put it in your purse, so when you're out and about you have a handy little tote that weighs so very little. And if you need a kind of a recap on how I folded mine so it fits nice and neatly and easily, quickly tucked back into the little ladybug pouch, go back to the giveaway video where I showed you how to do that. So, apologize, I dropped a couple things, but it wasn't the yarn, and they're in their little packets. So you will be getting all of that. And also to let you know, if you're not sure what to do with this yarn, you have it available, accessible to you, you like it, you want to try it, I have a project coming up. I'm almost finished with it, so hopefully a few days, within a week or so, I will have that uploaded and ready to go. So something that you can make, and you'll have plenty left over for maybe a little hat or something else. So just an idea, one thing that I've made with that to show you. And I've been having internet connection issues, and for the last couple weeks been through the whole gamut. Whether it's the devices, it's the modem, got a new modem, didn't fix the problem. I'm thinking it could actually be within the line itself. So hopefully this video will load okay, and my next one will as well, until we get that resolved and figure out what's going on. Alright, so in the meantime, thank you all for being here and a part of this fun giveaway. And Also, I would like to wish all the dads and dads to be out there a very happy Father's Day, and to everyone a happy every day. So let's get to picking the winner. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Very exciting. I have entered the URL to my video in the space bar here, and now I'm going to get the YouTube comments. Okay, so getting the comments. So 61 unique comments. And now here we go. Woohoo! Woohoo! I feel like we need a drum roll. Madonna Ballard. Madonna Ballard, you are the winner of my Just Because Giving Back giveaway. So I will be placing my email address in the description box above at the top. So please contact me with your mailing address and I will get your goodies off to you. Thank you everyone for being here, for commenting and a part of the fun. And I wish there could be a winner for all, but I hope you had a good time. Congratulations again to Madonna. All right, get in touch with me. Thank you. Okay, take care everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye.